Hello budding artist and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I am going to draw and brief you about Princess Peach from Super Mario. In the enchanting land of the Mushroom Kingdom, nestled within its vibrant landscape, resides Princess Peach Toadstool, known affectionately as Princess Toadstool or simply Peach. She is not only the sovereign ruler of this magical realm, but also its heart and guiding light. Born to the esteemed Mushroom King and Queen, her lineage is as regal as her demeanor. Despite her royal duties, Peach's life is far from solitary. Her heart finds solace and companionship in the company of her loyal subjects, as well as in the unwavering devotion of her love interest, the heroic Mario. Together, they navigate the trials and triumphs of their kingdom, ensuring its prosperity and safeguarding its denizens from harm. But Peach's world extends beyond the castle walls. She shares a special bond with her best friend, Princess Daisy, their friendship an enduring beacon of support and camaraderie. Yet, amidst the beauty and tranquility of her kingdom, there exists a shadowy figure, her adversary, Grape, whose nefarious schemes pose a constant threat to the peace Peach holds dear. Symbolizing her authority and grace, Princess Peach's emblem is none other than her resplendent crown, a symbol of her unwavering sovereignty and timeless elegance. Princess Peach got blue eyes that sparkle like sapphires, and hair as golden as the sun. Today, Peach is wearing her signature outfit, a beautiful pink dress that flows down to the ground, adorned with jewels fit for royalty. The dress, with its short puffy sleeves and dark pink accents, hugs her form elegantly, accentuating her graceful movements. A sapphire brooch, nestled within folds of gold, serves as a beacon of her royal status. Peach's red high-heeled pumps click softly against the cobblestones, a symphony of elegance echoing through the courtyard. But Peach isn't always in her royal attire. Sometimes, she likes to mix it up for different adventures. For more active days, Peach opts for a sporty pink mini dress or a tank top and shorts, perfect for running and playing with her friends. With each step, her waist-length blonde locks, reminiscent of spun gold, sway like silk in the gentle breeze. Two delicate sideburns frame her face, leading to a heart-shaped bang that adorns her forehead with a touch of innocence. Princess Peach is sweet, kind, optimistic, friendly, and experienced. Despite encountering refusal for help, she remains determined to aid those in need. Bowser consistently kidnaps Peach due to her ability to undo spells. Princess Peach can do amazing things, and so can you. Believe in yourself and all the wonderful things you can accomplish. So remember, just like Princess Peach, you're strong, kind, and capable of great things. Keep being awesome, and don't forget to have fun along the way.
Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.